Mga kapuso, this Tuesday morning, let's get inspired sa istorya sa usa ka transgender beauty queen nga si Gretchen Marie Alngog ug sayron ta ang iyang mga pagpaningkamot aron ma-achieve ang iyang dream goal. Miss Gretchen, good morning ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Wow, you look so fresh and stunning, Miss Gretchen. Kamusta ka?
Yes, Jill, maayong buntag. Ug daghan kayong salamat sa pag-feature sa kuha karong buntaga diri sa inyong program na At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Miss Gretchen, unang-una, interesado ko kung kanusa ba nagsugod kini imuhang pag-transition o pag-usab sa imong personal identity from a man to a woman ug paunsa sab nimo ni nahandle?
I started my transition when I was in high school. I realized that something is different jud sa ako ang kaugalingon. So throughout high school, hantod sa paging college na ako, surrounded sa ako ang mga closest friends. They encouraged me to get out of my shell. So, i-encourage ko nila na mag-appeal ko og beauty contest. At first, kalingawan lang, but eventually himong bread and butter. And it helps me to finance my studies in college. These small-time beauty contests at naging mga big events are very useful sa mo ang members of the community, sa kaning mga LGBT community. Kay dili lang na siya makatabang mag-boost sa mo ang personality, mag-showcase sa mong talent, but it also helps na ma-enlighten ang mga tao unsa among importance dito sa community. Daghan kay discrimination na madawat namo no when I was in high school and in college and sa akong workplace pod. But I stood up from all of this discrimination. Naningkamot jud ko nga mo eskwela og tarong, and I became the president of the student council sa among school. I have been accepting all the criticisms kinibang mga discrimination sa amoa kasi kung dili gunin mo ni siya dawaton, you cannot overcome on it. So overcoming is also a process. Depende gyud sa imuha unsaon nimo pag-present sa imong kaugalingon sa mga tao. If you do good, of course they will treat you good. They will treat you nicely. But if magbinuang po kasi imong isig ka tao, regardless of sexual orientation you are, of course they will treat you the same. Act accordingly so that people will treat you nicely also.
Wow, kung gihanog achiever sab di ay ka, way back sa imong college years, Miss Gretchen. Apan, amo sab na sayra nga pag human sa imong college, nag-decide ka to work abroad. Kamusta ba imuhang life no away from your family that time?
After college, nag-spend ko 2 years sa salon and then I perform as a stylist. So nag-decide ko na it's about time na mag-work ko overseas because I think it will help myself and also for my future. So nag-ato ko og Dubai to work in an office as an admin staff. I worked there for 6 years. I was away from my family. Lisod kaayo ang sitwasyon kung layo kay kasi mong pamilya, especially katong mga OFW, no? Kay magkasakit na, wala jud tala ay maduulan ko ni atong kaugalingon lang. Giantos na ko to good for 6 years until I have savings, and then I have realized na my dream to undergo the sexual reassignment surgery will complete my dream. I went to Thailand for my surgery and then I went back to the Philippines and I have decided na mag-put up na ako og business. I will be together again with my family and we'll work all together para sa amo ang negosyo.
Great to hear no nga na-achieve nimo ang imong dream goal alang sa imong kaugalingon ug para sa imong pamilya, Miss Gretch. Apan, kamusta ba ang imong transition period after sa surgery ug unsa sab ang sagad niya kining reaction no sa imong pamilya ug mga higala about sa imong nahimong desisyon sa imong life? Naging supportive ba sila in the first place?
Lisod kaayo ang 6 months na transition period namo. And then after that, dili ka pa maiwasan na ay discrimination. And then I was very happy kaya ako ang family is very supportive sa akong decision na mag-undergo ko og surgery. And of course, ang ako ang friends, they are also very supportive sa akong decision. So thankful kaayo ko, it went successful. I am very proud to say now that I am a woman. Kumbaga, happy ko sa akong life karon living as a post-op transsexual. So dili na ako na ikalimod sa mga tao that I'm a transgender. Of course, I'm living as a woman, but they call us transgender.
I am happy for you, Miss Gretchen. I know that you've finally achieved your dream goal as a woman. Apan, layo ni ana, no? Aduna sabay mga experiences nga kining nagbilin og leksyon para sa imuha.
Actually, I have a love life for 7 years. Daghan kaayog lesson ang ako ang na-learn sa ako ang love life. I was married. We went to Canada for the same-sex marriage and then came back here and live as a couple, as a normal partner. But as they say, wala gid ay perfect relationship. I have to give up na dili naman gud siya healthy. So by that, full-time ko nag-work sa akong sa business. Nagsulod ko og workout para lang jud ma-divert akong attention out from my broken relationship.
Og sa karon Miss Gretchen, unsa bay imuhang mga kabisihan o kining sagad nimong inspirasyon sa imuhang pagpaningkamot?
You know, katong nagatrabaho pa ko sa salon, ang dream is to have my own salon pod. Dili sa yun ang magkaroon og usa ka business. As much as possible, mag-hands-on jud ka sa imong business. Kay in kaso magka-problema, at least kahibaw ka kung saan pagsulbad sa problema. So, it's my mom, ang ginahugutan ako og strength, and this special person na ako ang naging boss when I was working overseas. So, one of the influential person sa kuang journey sa akong kinabuhi.
And at this point sa imong life, sa imong mga nagian o sa imong kalampusan, unsa imong nakatunan from your journey?
Value self-worth. We can be the best version of ourselves. We can be part in performing arts, in education, health and beauty, advertising, in politics also. If you want people to respect you, then you have to respect them. So that comes self-worth.
Wow, daghang salamat Miss Gretchen and continue to be an inspiration sa atong tanan. Amping always.
Daghan-daghan kayong salamat, Jill. And magkita-kita na buta sa sunod.
Mga kapuso, chillax sa mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.